So hey, it's Howie K, Diamond Guy here at Robert Irwin Jewelers, and I know I'm supposed to be talking about Summer of 1,000 engagements and all the great stuff we got going on, like the free weekend giveaway for two with every purchase of $1,499 or more. But I'm going to get a little bit nerdy on you today, and I'm going to talk about diamond studs, and I got a feeling this video is going to take more than the normal 30 seconds or minute that we usually talk for, but it's going to be all about diamond stud earrings, specifically these diamond studs that I found a few weeks ago that I want to tell everybody about because I'm like enamored with them. I found these diamond studs here. We got them in stock now from 1 carat all the way to 4 carat, and I don't know, they caught my attention. I was at a trade show and I kept looking at these studs over and over again, and you know, all the diamonds that we carry, all the diamond studs are bright, they're brilliant, and we have them in all different budgets, but there was something about these, about the way that they were made, that they sparkled so much that they just kept attracting my attention over and over again. And being that I'm a diamond guy, I had to investigate a little further and figure out what was going on here. And I was right. There was a little something unique, much more unique about these diamonds. There's a whole story here about how these pairs of diamonds are put together. So first off, I want to explain it to everybody. It's a company called David Weiss & Sons, and what's really cool is they've been in the diamond business since four generations, since 1949. I think that's a pretty long time ago. That's over 50 years. And they have a whole process on how they put their pairs of diamond studs together. It's pretty complicated. It's actually an 8-step process. You would think that putting studs together are pretty simple. You got 2 diamonds, if they look like they match, they're going on 2 separate ears, that should be good enough. But that's not what these guys do. These guys are all about the quality, starting at the rough. So they actually buy rough. If you don't know what rough is, it's a diamond. It's usually just a rock. They buy their own rough and then they manufacture it from scratch, which means they polish it and they cut it to certain specifications. Then, when the rough is polished, they get the polished diamonds. They bring them to their office, and that's when the matching process starts. How they find an exact pair that match each other. There's a guy at their office named Mr. Spitzer, and what he does, he measures the diamond using calipers and gauges to make sure that they're 100% perfect matches. If one diamond does not match the other, he'll send it back for recutting so that they can match 100%. Once Mr. Spitzer's done matching the diamonds perfectly, he sends them to the setter. They use an expert diamond setter that cuts seats in each one of the prongs, and you can see this pair has 3 prongs, so do all of these, but they cut seats. They make sure not to put too much gold on the prongs because they want the diamond to be fully shown because of how much sparkle it has. Once it comes back from the setter, they have a quality control man named Mr. Baumgarten who goes and inspects the polishing again and how the diamond is sitting in the mounting to make sure that it's sitting in that seat perfectly and that there's no chance of tampering or that the diamond's going to fall out and that the prongs are perfectly over the diamond on each side. And so once that happens, it goes to a gentleman by the name of Mr. Joel who will loop these diamonds several times with a 10-power loop to check the color and the clarity of the diamond and make sure that both diamonds sparkle exactly the same and their same color and clarity. And then it goes to Mr. Weiss himself to make sure that he agrees with Mr. Joel's grading. Upon agreement, and they both agree on the pair matching perfectly, guess where it goes? It comes to Robert Irwin Jewelers, and we get to put them out for sale to you guys. And I think that if you really don't know a lot about diamond stud earrings, you should come into Robert Irwin Jewelers so we could show you all the different types. But you could also go on our website and shop and check these out. And diamond earrings, every woman needs them. Even men wear them now. They're like the little black dress of jewelry. Goes with everything. You can wear them every day. So come to Robert Irwin Jewelers, check out our studs.